Kick your heels up. Understanding a colorful English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and expressive phrase in the English language. Kick your heels up. This phrase is a great example of how English can use vivid imagery to convey emotions and actions. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Kick your heels up is an idiom that means to relax and enjoy oneself, often by dancing or celebrating. It conjures up the image of someone energetically dancing or jumping with joy, where their heels literally kick up off the ground. This phrase is commonly used to suggest letting go of worries and having a good time. The phrase, kick your heels up, has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated from older dances where dancers would literally kick their heels together. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of celebrating or enjoying oneself, regardless of whether actual dancing is involved. When can you use kick your heels up? Here are some examples. At a party. This is a great party. It's time to kick our heels up and have fun. On vacation. I've finished all my work for the week. Time to kick my heels up at the beach. Celebrating good news. We just heard the good news. Let's kick our heels up and celebrate. Like many idioms, kick your heels up can be varied slightly while keeping its meaning. For instance, kick up your heels. Time to kick heels up. These variations are less common but are still understood in English-speaking contexts. And that's a wrap on the phrase, kick your heels up. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expression and culture. So go ahead, find an occasion to use this phrase, and indeed, kick your heels up. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting English language learning content. See you next time.